Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Figma designs stand out with custom fonts, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add new fonts to Figma, whether you're working in the desktop app or using Figma in your web browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get those unique fonts up and running in any project, so your designs can really have that personal touch. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first. Before adding any font to Figma, you'll need to have the font file itself ready to go. This usually means you've already downloaded a font. Maybe it's a trendy one from Google Fonts or something special you found elsewhere online. Make sure you've got that font file saved somewhere you can quickly find it, like your desktop or your downloads folder. Now here, where things get a little interesting. Even if you typically use Figma in your browser, you'll actually need to use the Figma desktop app to add custom fonts. I know it sounds a bit counterintuitive, but Figma relies on its desktop app to manage installed fonts, even if most of the time you're working out of Chrome or another browser. So go ahead and open up the Figma desktop app on your computer. Once the desktop app is open, let's get the font installed. We're looking for the font settings panel. If you're not sure where that is, just go up to the search bar in Figma, usually up at the top, and type font settings. This will bring up the panel where you can manage all your fonts within Figma. Take a quick moment to locate your downloaded font file, then just drag and drop that file straight into the font settings window in the desktop Figma app. It's as easy as that, just a simple drag and drop. Now to double check that everything worked, let's test out the new font in Figma. Go ahead and create a text box, or if you've already got some text in your design, you can select that. When you highlight the text and look for the font menu, you should now see your freshly added font option in the list. Select it, and your text should immediately update to use the new style. This is a great way to make sure the font installed correctly, and it lets you preview how your new font will look in your actual project. Here's an important point. If you're someone who usually works in the browser version of Figma, the desktop app still needs to stay open in the background for your custom fonts to show up. So after adding the font and making those changes, keep the Figma desktop app running, even if you're doing most of your work in Chrome, Safari, or Edge. If you don't, you might not see your custom font options in the browser version. Now head over to your browser where you've got Figma open. Sometimes the new font takes a moment or two to load, so don't worry if you don't see it pop up instantly. It might take a brief pause while Figma syncs things up behind the scenes. Give it a few seconds, maybe refresh your tab and then check back in your font menu. You should see the font you just added right alongside all the built-in options, and that's it. You've just added a custom font into Figma and made it work seamlessly, whether you're in the desktop app or the browser. This might seem like a tiny step, but it really opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities for your UI, branding, or illustration projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by liking the video. Got a question or ran into a snag? Drop your comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more straightforward Figma tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.